email says our subject has a shotgun in his possession.
Ma'am, come outside. No. Come on. Give us a red. Sir, get back with him. Come out with your hands up. I've got no cover. Sir, come out with your hands up. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Shots fired, shots fired.
Give us a red. Copy, code red. Rose Alpha.
Must be coming up front.
We're returning back to our vehicles. I got the male half, not the subject, but the female half still not responding yet.
I don't have her in sight anymore.
3K9, please.
Copy.
You see the lady in the pink robe?
Shots fired, code red. Come on.
They got him probed out.
He had a shotgun in his right hand and then a handgun in his left hand. He wouldn't drop it.
Metro releasing this new information just this morning, saying the night before this police shooting, 38-year-old Corey Iturbarea was taken to the hospital and placed on a hold to be screened for his mental stability. The next day, he made threats to kill his parents.
I'll kill everybody.
Threats heard in the background of a 911 call. Coming from a house on Rosalba Street in the South Valley Sunday afternoon.
Okay?
Officer Andrea Mitri and her partner were the first to arrive on scene. Police say they knocked on the door and an elderly man walked out.
Yeah, I got the male half, not the subject, but the female half still not responding yet.
The elderly male informed the officers that his wife was still inside with her son, Mr. Iturbarea.
The man told police he was worried about the mental state of his stepson, 38-year-old Corey Iturbarea, after he made threats to kill his wife and police if they showed up. He also told police Iturbarea was armed with a shotgun and handgun.
He had a shotgun in his right hand and then a handgun in his left hand. He wouldn't drop it.
Officer Mitri could see through a screen door and began issuing commands through the screen door to Mr. Iturbarea.
Sir, come out with your hands up.
Iturbarea opened the screen door and stepped out holding the shotgun and the pistol in his hands. As he did this, he raised those firearms toward Officer Mitri.
Let me see your hands.
Police say Officer Mitri fired 5 rounds, striking Iturbarea multiple times. He was later taken into custody and transported to the hospital, where he is in serious but stable condition.